So it's been a while since we did a freeze dried video, and I picked up something that we haven't tried before. We got gummy worms. So let's go. Hey y'all, it's Stephanie and welcome. If you're new to the channel or you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button down below. It's absolutely free. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or anything you'd like to see, leave it in the comment section down below. And as usual, give this video a big thumbs up. It will certainly help out the channel. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so here we got our parchment paper, and we lined the worms up, and I lined them this way because they are going to expand. And I'm not exactly sure how much they're going to expand, so I just lined them up this way so they had room on each side. And then this tray I purposely overfilled to see if we could get away with it, because why not test it out if I'm doing it anyway. The gummy worms I'm using, I got these Black Forest gummy worms, and I'll leave these linked in the description box below. So now what we're going to do is we are going to go over to the freeze dryer, and we are going to get started with the freeze drying process. So let's go over there. Okay, so we're going to load these. As usual, I'm going to do the fullest one in the top. And then we're just going to load the other two in. Just like that. We're going to put the seal in. And close that. Alright, now we are going to go over here to this dial. At the dial, we are going to get start, non-liquid, not frozen. Make sure the drain valve is closed, and it is not, so we'll close that. And then we'll hit continue. And this will continue freezing, and then once it's done freezing, it will go through the drying process, and once everything's done, we will be back for an update. So we'll see you later. Bye. Okay, so we are done with this. Now we're just going to leave that open, but we're going to go ahead and open our valve and let the air in. Once the air goes in, we are going to open up our freeze dryer. Alright, we got it open. So now let's go ahead and remove our gummy bears, and as you can see, they're not quite done yet. So what we'll do is we will close that back up, and this is after a 24-hour cycle, so they don't work in 24 hours. So we're gonna add, what we're gonna do is we are gonna go back over here to our display. Okay, so we're back at our display, and we're going to add more dry time. Close the valve, continue. Alright, vacuum pump is cooling, so it will restart in about an hour, and we will do it for another 24 hours and see where we're at in the morning. Okay, so it's done again. It's been another 24 hours that I left them in here. So let's go ahead and open up this valve. And we'll open up the door. And then let's go ahead and see where we are at. And they're still not done, as you can see. Let's see these ones. Yeah. So what we're going to do is I guess we're going to go ahead and put them in for another 24 hours. So do the same thing we were doing, or put the... So we just put more drive time, continue. It's going to let the pump cool down, and then we'll just continue on from there. So we'll be back in another 24 hours. Okay, so we are back. It's been another 24 hours. Let's let the air back in. Relieve the pressure. Okay, as you can see by this ring right here, you can tell whenever all the air is let back in. Open the door. Oh. Drop the seal. Okay, let's put this back on. Check out the first tray. This is the overfull one. Ooh, nope. Second one. Yikes. Nope. And third one. No. As you can see, this was a fail. A pretty big fail. 36 hours. These gummy worms might not be the ones that you should use. But look, there's really been no change. Just a slight change to the outer. So I'll have to... Ooh, look at that stretch. I'll have to get another type of gummy worms. But if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this one, hit the subscribe button down below. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.